AI e-commerce website builder, which is totally free. So I've been able to build this AI e-commerce website for totally free. And then in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do the exact same thing. So let's go right into the tutorial. All that you have to do is just go to Google and then search for 10web.io, just like this one, then hit enter. When it comes, simply come in and come and select the official site of 10web, and then to bring you right here, just come and then click on the e-commerce, just like this one, select that one, and then come over here where it says generate your website, come and click on it. So when you click on it, what that you have to do is that they are going to ask you, what do you really want to do? You want to build e-commerce website, so come and select create a new website with AI, and then come and click on the proceed. So when you click on it over here, you are simply going to start by simply selecting your business type by clicking here. So when you click on it, you can go through and then see if your business type show up. If it doesn't, don't worry, simply come in and come and put in exactly what you want. So you want an online store, click on it and then it will come. So simply come and then click on the next, and then over here you can change the language by clicking on the down arrow. Then you can select any of these language. Okay, I'm going to leave mine at the English, and then over here you can come and then put in your store name. Okay, so I'm going to call my store name just for women, just like this. And then what you have to do is that you have to come in and come and describe your store. Okay, so write something that the AI can use to create an amazing store for you. Provide detailed information. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so when you are done, you can always come here to where it says enhance with AI and then click on it, and then the AI can enhance the one that you have provided for you in a way that they can use it to create an awesome e-commerce website for you. So this is what the AI generated. If you're okay, just come down here to where it says do you own a domain. If you have your own domain name, just come and then select yes. If you don't have your own domain name, simply come and then come and click on no, and then they will provide you an option to choose a domain name for free. Okay, so I'm going to choose this domain name just for women plus. Okay, this one, and then over here all that you have to do is just come down here to where it says next and then come and click on it. So when you click on it over here, what you have to do is that the AI is going to generate your products and then categories for you to look through. So this is the category that the AI has generated. So we have the office dresses, and then the product too, they selected this one for me. Okay, and then this is the other one, it generates 3 of them. Okay, and then this is the product, and then this is the category. We have the business women's wear, and then this is the product. You can always edit it if you don't want it by clearing it and then putting your own preferred one. Okay, so when you're okay, just come down here and then come and click on finalized. Okay, so sit back, relax, and then wait for the AI to create your online store for you in a simple and then fast way. So as you can see, it says congratulations, our website is ready. Simply come in and come and click on preview and then edit. Okay, and then over here, as you can see, our e-commerce website is here, looking nice, amazing, and well finished to our own preferences. Okay, so let me take you through. So as you can see over here, you can come and then select any of the color palettes, the one that you prefer. You can simply select it, and then beside that one too, you can also come and then change the font to fit the font of your business. You can go through and then select the one that you want. Okay, and then over here too, you can always switch to the mobile view mode by clicking on mobile, and then this is how the mobile is going to look like. This is how your store is going to look like on the mobile view as well. Okay, so let's go back to the desktop mode by coming here to click on the desktop mode, and then over here too, you can always regenerate. So as you can see, you have the regenerate. When you click on it, you can regenerate the online store, the e-commerce website, or in a new looking way. Okay, so when you use it, it's going to rewrite your current one. So you can do it by clicking on the proceed, and then you can generate a new one. Okay, I'm okay with this one. Beside that one, we also have this. You can upgrade to the pro version, and then you can also edit your website from this. Okay, so let's go through and then let's go and then look at our shop page and look at how it is looking like. Beside that one, you can also come and then click on the save, and then all your changes will be saved. So at our shop page, just like this one, just come and then click on the shop now, and then it will take us to our shop page. Okay, so this is how the shop page is looking like. So it is nice and I like it. Okay, beside that one too, we can also sort by categories. It is also here, and then the price and everything in stock and everything is here. Okay, so let's go to our main menu and then click on it to the home page, and then let's go to the menus and see. So as you can see, these are the menus that has been created. Let's select the women's business wear and look at it, and this is the one here. So let's click on it to see, and we have our products right here. Okay, so we have the payment options as well, which has been generated for us. All these are the payment options that we can use. We have our short description here, our product short description is here, and then we have the related products here as well. Let's try and then go through and then look at a different one as well. So let's go back to the menus, and then let's come and then select the office dresses. So when you click on it, this is also an office product here. So let's click on it, and this is how it is also looking like. I like it, and it also have a related products as well, so which is also nice. So let's go back to the home page, and then over here we also have our shop by categories. It's also here as well, and everything is looking like good. So over here you can always come back to the home page by also clearing this and then go to the official site. So when you go to the official site of the Ten Web, you can go to my dashboard just like this one, then click on it, and then from your dashboard you can come and then manage your e-commerce website by clicking on the manage. Okay, so when you click on it, over here it says let's set up your store. So you can choose your business location and then the region where your business is located. Not only that, you can always come here and then add a new product to your e-commerce website by choosing this, and then you can also edit your website directly from your dashboard. You can also set up your payments method by using this, and then when you want to go back, you can come and then click on this icon and then you can come back. You can also migrate your e-commerce website to a different web host by using automated one-click migration. Okay, so this is how to create an e-commerce website for free without you paying anything. Like the video, and then if you have any questions at all, just put it in the comment down below, and then I'm going to get back to you.